Where are all the eggs? I know I just bought some yesterday. I should go ask David. Hey David, I'm trying to make some breakfast, but I can't seem to find the eggs. What's going on? Dad, I'm supposed to make an egg survive a fall from a 2-story building, but I can't even get it to survive a drop from here. I see. So what are you going to try next? I don't know. Nothing I do works. Ugh, I hate science. Sounds like this has become a difficult problem to solve. Perhaps you need to take this problem step by step. Whenever I'm struggling to solve a problem, I like to pause and break my problem down into a few simple steps. Okay. Step 1. You have to clearly identify the problem. What do you think the problem is, David? Dad, I just don't know. I can't seem to figure it out. Well, we don't know what we don't know. Luckily, the hardest part of getting help is asking for it. So if you're having trouble clearly identifying a problem, I suggest you ask for help. Whether you want to ask your teacher, a friend, Google, or all three. Just make sure you're asking someone you can trust. Dad, can you help me out? Sure! Well, it's obvious the egg is hitting the floor with a force too strong for the eggshell to take. I think we have to find a way to reduce the amount of force the egg is hitting the floor with. This leads me to step number 2. Identify possible solutions. From the looks of it, you've definitely made multiple attempts at this already. What have you tried so far? Well, we're only allowed to use these materials. So what I've been doing is trying to wrap the egg with tape and as many cotton balls as I can in order to soften the blow, you know? But the egg keeps breaking. David, I think you're off to a good start. It seems to me like you made it all the way to step 3. You selected a strategy you thought was best and began to proceed with trial and error. Trial and error is an important part of the problem-solving strategy, but it doesn't stop there. After trial and error comes step 4, reflection and revision. So let's start reflecting. Ideally, when you're working through your trial and errors, you're making observations and taking notes. Do you have any notes? No, that's all right. It's something you can start doing moving forward. So tell me, during this egg massacre, did you notice anything that was helping the egg stay safe? No, the eggs just kept breaking. I see. Well, I believe that tells you something very important. It sounds like your strategy needs some revisions. Like what? Well, I'm thinking we either have to figure out a way to better protect the egg or somehow slow down the drop of the egg. Slow down the drop of the egg. You mean like a parachute? Sure, I think a parachute is a great idea. Yeah, I think I could use this plastic bag and this string to make an egg a parachute. Do you think it'll work? I think it's worth a few tries. It sounds like you have a plan, so I'll let you get back to work. This will likely take a bit more trial and error, so don't forget to write down your observations after every attempt. That's right, I had already forgot. Thanks, Dad. Of course. Alright then, time to go buy more eggs.